Guys, so this is my new channel, BMK Digital Data Analyst. So I'm a data analyst by profession, and my purpose is to teach everybody the Power BI. So Power BI is very simple data analysis tool. So in my last video, I discussed about the slicer, that how slicer work and how we can design year-wise slicer and month-wise slicer. So today we're gonna talk about table. You have seen many tables in Excel, but it's a little bit different from Excel tables. So let me just go first towards my data. So let me check if there is some kind of data is attached. Yeah, there is data, and you can check your table if it shows properly over here, like this. So these are my data set where we have the row IDs, order date, ship date. So it's a very big data set. So we will design a table with this data set, basically a table visualization. So here is in the visualization pan, we have so many visualizations, but what we pick and what we talk about today is a table. So right, so this is table visualizations, as you can see here, and we make it big so you can watch it clearly. Right, so there is no data, that's why it's look like, the empty table. So let me drag something from my columns, then it will come into shape. Okay, so let's start with the customer ID, which is one of the column. So it sets as column, and you can see it's creating like examples. Another thing is category. The customer will choose which category. So in the column section, we can add multiple columns once, right? So like there's a customer, there's a category, there's a quantity, there's a product name, which a customer order. There's also quantity, how many quantities a customer orders, right? So as you can see, there's a column name which is showing in in the header of the table, like the customer table, category, product name, sum of quantity, and this sales. So this is some of the quantity, like this customer bought the furniture category, this master caster door stop, and he bought two quantities, and which total sale is around $14.56. So this is coming in the shape of likewise table. um, okay, so let me remove the product name because I don't want to the product name over here because it's a quite big and lengthy, and its look or table is messy. So we will see what is the state of our order, like which state they're sending. I think it's not really as well, but yeah, there is a quantity, there is order, there is order date, and when he ordered, what he ordered. So you can gain a lot of information from here. One thing which is, I think, which is quite good, which is the customer name. Like ordered furnitures in two quantity, which is $14.56. So here is our table, as you can see. So this is the basic table. You can see the sum of the quantity here, it is, which is 37873, and here is sum of all the sales of all the customers. But I want to show these are the things. This is the filters, we will discuss later, and this is the focus mode. So I'll click on it later, but I want to tell you some more action about it. So if you want to export this table, you can click export data, and it will export in Excel format, right? Show as a table, remove, automatically find cluster, and sort by, which is very important. If I want to sort by my table, I can do it by customer ID. I can do sort by sum of quantity. So it will bring the highest quantity wise product in front of me, which is 115, which is office supplies, which is ordered by Jonathan, and it's the customer ID. So this is the biggest sales we have in this table. So here is your formatting your visuals. So you can give styling to your table. Like if I want to change the color, like print, it will show like this. If I want to show the vertical grid lines, it will be like, ooh. So as you can see here, my table is ready, right? So we can explore more properties over here. Like there's options, there's borders, like top borders I want to give, all borders, left borders. So as you can see, it's coming into a complete table formatting. Like I want to give width of 2, width of 3. So I think that's great, but this color is not so cool. So I want to give something like this. Yeah, that look a little good. You know, it's a good for the formatting. And thank you once again for supporting me. uh, I got a very good response on my channel. So this is a very basic way Power BI visualizations, because I that's my purpose, is to teach you from the basics. Thank you once again. In the next video we will talk about the conditional formatting and other things that we can do with the tables. Thank you guys. Thank you.